Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com, this officially website. After that, right hand side you can see search icon. Just click on it and then enter the model number of motherboard. Here is go for RTX 4070 Ti 12G Extreme WaterForce WB. Not found. So click on this. So if it is not found, just click on go to tab and type on Google. This is first one. Just click on it. So this is your, and then click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows and 10. So both operating system installations, process same, NVIDIA driver, and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. After that, click on three dot and download it, and then click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see. Okay. Now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that, also completed driver, then restart your system.